Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix Pokemon Go error code 36 cannot join your raid group. So the first thing that you will need to do is to clear the cache of your Pokemon Go application on your device. So just head into your phone settings. Okay, and then scroll down till you see the apps option. So just click on it. And then click on the manage apps. And then just wait for the applications to load, or you can also use a search bar at the top to search for a specific application. So let's type out Pokemon Go. So I'll be deleting this since this is wrong. So here it is. So just click on it and then click on the clear data option at the bottom of your screen and then click on clear cache. Okay, so you will then just have to leave the group and then rejoin because most of the players did that and it works. Okay, so for our second solution is from Reddit. So clicking quickly on menus may cause problems. Waiting for 2 seconds between menu clicks resolve this issue. This method has worked for many people, and hopefully it will work for you as well and help you get rid of the problem. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.